suggestion ka reservation policy temta sing lawan man ai pu strictly habedi ka reservation policy te ni kam lor ni sibot ki mat ni tang san tri point ya ka bangila ashwin ka committee ka ba matak sing te kum ka party kum bangila don ko manifesto bangin revise ya ka reservation policy te kum taru hani ka point ka ba ka jingmut ni ko ban combine 40% or 50% ya ka ba for both Khasi, Jaintia and Garo in order of merit habedip ka no ka jingmut kam sarkar exam no but da ka combine 40 to 80% in order of merit come to do away 40 for Khasi, Jaintias, 40 for Garos combine kata ka suggestion ka bani ko ni ai kan ba create healthy competition no among the educated employee youth. No. Number 2, Hakabidi but ka office memorandum jo ka 18 December 1972, Hakabidi but miki come up with district level posts. Kapati kusujas kana 4%. Namta ki Khasi Jaintia, apo district Khasi Jaintia Hills. 90% for Khasi Jaintias in district of Khasi and Jaintia Hills. And whereas 90% Nada ki district tan ta Garo. Kuma Garo ta Garo ki Khasi ta Khasi 90%. Oh. Number 4, Hakabidi ka paratu jo ka resolution. Kadon kini ka kini bomba ladador ki deficiency kuma kalong hapo manchupuli kuma kadon ni po resolution mo. If there is a deficiency in the number of scheduled tribes and scheduled castes, shall be carried forward to the next recruitment year and made good in the recruitment of that year. Kapag you suggest me to do away the process of carry forward. Kapag mo ba on the particular year lada kanu ka sarkar ka khot pan apply kam le ban thap kam nu ban pan pang usna without the process of carry forward. Tagadi ka point number 4. But the most important point was number 5. Nakana ka party Hakabidi ka state reservation policy January 12. New year ka allocation of seats for the academic careers, allocation of seats for academic careers in terms of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo mo. Come down ko proper indication, habidi ka percentage marks. Then nakali ang party ngimlan iban ang haling issue ka pa yung ko committee can relook into the matter. Di kumakalong mantalong kadon la ka percentage. Di kanang manwan ra ita ka efficiency, but ita ka combine 80% at ay kanil di gawin yung important points kabaka ni jingmut sa committee bakan pet bahay kani kanang panum tiya silang apreng kini ki lightly Khasi Jaintia Garo
combine na din cakap kono 40 kumulong mansna minta kono 40 plus 40 kono 80 kono 80% for Khasi and Garo
and Khasi Jaintia and Garo kamdi di away combine
Munda syukur bahak terpang sokau Garo.
Combine, that's what we combine. Kemudian berbakat pang. In terms of efficiency, to create a healthy competition on implement, kumta. Apa peramangit